Here is Gravedigger's wristband. It says Gravedigger. Has a Monster Jam logo on the side. And another Monster Jam logo on the side. And oh, look at that. That's pretty neat too. As the top of the Gravedigger, and then that's on the front of the Gravedigger also. So that's a cool wristband for the Gravedigger. Now on to the poster. It is the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. And then for this series, so far, all the trucks that are going to be in this series. So let's bring in Gravedigger for 2020, looking really good. My first truck with the black and green design that has more of the hood of the flame job of Gravedigger here in the 2020 version, and this was the first version of 2019, and you can see that they have a lot less of the flame job. Here's a side view for Gravedigger. Has the silver chassis, which I like, and then the green roll cage, and it has the BKT printing on the tires. Now the wheels itself are gray. I wish that they would have went with the green wheels. Would have looked a little bit better. Don't know why that they went with gray. I wish that it was green, or at least had a green beadlock rims on the 2019 version, and then a lot more flames printed on the front clip of Gravedigger. So that's very cool that they fixed that up. I didn't notice this also on my Ice Gravedigger, that they had more of the flame job on the front clip. On top, Gravedigger, bad to the bone. So there we have it, the first Gravedigger for 2020. So thank you for tuning in.